Well done, well done. A bright future ahead in our zone.
I feel good for having won this award, and I want to thank the Almighty God, although we have lost on the finals, but I promise you Ugandans that we are going to get enough time to prepare for AFCON so that we qualify for World Cup.
A bit of disappointment, and that's what happens when your team is not performing well. First half we were all over the place. We couldn't stick to the game plan very well, but in the second half it got better. And I keep telling these kids that you always have to play the way you train. You know, the first half I didn't see the way we train in their game, but in the second half it got better. You can see everything that we work on in training.